Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Supreme Court judge's ruling to reject an application for the release of Vybz Kartel ignites online chatter. The application was rejected Thursday afternoon by Justice Andrea Thomas after lawyers representing the dancehall entertainer and disco accused, Sean Storm Campbell and Andre St. John, applied to the court for their release following the recent Privy Council decision to quash their convictions for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Now, following the ruling, Kartel's social media platform X states, even though we fall, we never bow. June 10. This has left a sour taste in the mouths of fans, which led to many accusing the judicial system of being biased. Our legal analyst, Dion Jackson Miller, weighs in.
In this matter of the application to have the men released, you had Kartel's lawyers and the lawyers for the other men strongly saying why it was based on the law that they thought they should be released. The government lawyers now made their separate arguments very strongly. The judge looks at all those arguments and then makes a decision. And all we can do at the end of the day is look at the law. If it is that a mistake is made, that is why we have appeal courts. And those are the systems that are built in to try to correct error and to prevent the kind of concerns that people have raised.
She also spoke to those who are of the belief that the entertainer is being targeted.
A lot of people wanted to hear that Kartel and his co-accused were going to be released, and having not heard that, then you get this kind of reaction. Operating here at the level of judges who are trained to look at what is in front of them, look at the evidence that has been put in front of them, look at the law, apply the law and come out with a conclusion. And at the end of the day, I would say that in cases involving high-profile matters like Kartel, I think that the various players involved, the lawyers and certainly the judges, are conscious of the fact that everything they do is going to be carefully scrutinized, and that they are therefore even more careful to lay out the reasons for their decisions and to explain exactly what is happening.
Now, Kartel and his co-accused will appear before the Court of Appeal on June 10 for a hearing. Sean Paul and Shenseea for Bad Boys movie. The action comedy flick Bad Boys Ride or Die, which is slated for release next month, tapped the duo for the movie's official soundtrack. The track list sees Paul appearing twice with songs like Light 'Em Up with Will Smith and the title track Bad Boys with Argentine rapper Truno. Now, Shenseea will spit lyrics with Puerto Rican rapper Mike Towers on Bam Bam. This becomes Sean Paul and Smith's second collaboration after the two appeared on a version of Shaggy's Hey Sexy Lady back in 2002. Shenseea and Mike Towers previously collaborated on Infamous, a track from Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse soundtrack that sampled Barrington Levy's 1985 hit Here I Come. Remember, this Saturday is all about the grand finale of Dancing Dynamites at the Carl Henderson Auditorium at Jamaica College. Join us for the excitement. On location, it's free, or of course you can watch it right here, live on Saturday at 9 p.m. on TVJ. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.